you're from the farming background, you're a farmer yourself, and you're focused on social enterprises. I want to know from you, what is the advantage you see for an investor to today invest in a social enterprise, and where does the opportunity really lie in the sector?
Sure. I think when we talk about agriculture, there are two key important stakeholders. One is a consumer and a farmer. Only when these two ends are met, there is a innovation and business model sort of arise. But really, these are two real ends of the spectrum. Unlike in other spaces, for example, education or healthcare, the service provider and the person who is getting the service delivery is always in a touch. There is a physical or a virtual connect that exists. For example, in education, a teacher is providing the service and the student is receiving the service, and the parent is always in touch either by virtually or in a physical meeting. Same in healthcare also, where a doctor is providing a service or a hospital is providing, and the patient is at the receiving end, so you know what is going wrong and all that. Because the farmer and the consumer are in two different spectrum, there are a lot of challenges, and therefore a lot of innovations that can happen. I think what is going to be really key in the consumer end is consumers need something on convenience, quality and price. I think those are the three pillars around which a lot of business models are going to revolve around. From farmer end, I think the real key is it's not out of the box technology solution which a farmer is willing to pay. I think it's really on who can put a lot of money in the hands of farmers. I think that's really the key. That's why today even a large company say that they are more interested in connecting with farmers, because at the end of the day, if a procurement sort of business model where a farmer is able to get a fair price, I think that is what farmers is interested in.
How does the agrarian startup ecosystem benefit from coming to venture capitalists like you, like Mentera?
Sure.
So today a farmer doesn't know the potential that he or she has in the ecosystem. How
Sure.
do you identify them? How do you get interesting companies? We know about the AI and the IoTs, and these are all startups that know very peripherally about the pain points.
Sure.
So how do you identify a real company that understands the pain point and that can address the pain point and actually handhold that company?
I think I will answer in two parts. I think the first thing is whether an entrepreneur has spent enough time working with the farmers or a farmer producer company. I think that quality of insight that we look at, that is one key area. And as Mentera, the Will Grow Mentor platform, where we have spent 18 years, we know that what are the subsector in which the innovation or a business model that an entrepreneur is bringing in, it can impact maximum the farmers. Like I said, one is how do you sort of increase the income of farmer? How do you put more money in the hands of farmer? Which means that leads to how somebody can give a fair, transparent pricing to the farmer. That's one big area that we have identified as a subsector where business model can emerge. Second area where we think farmers are often puzzled by the market glut situation, where they are challenged on the pricing side. Now the key question is how can you bring a market price discovery or market intelligence to them to say what to grow and what is the price that you can expect. And that's the second one. And third area is, I think, on the farm level value addition, what we are talking about. So a tomato being sold as a tomato, a farmer is getting only X price at a certain point of time. But the moment tomato is converted into a puree, then it's an X plus Y, a premium farmer is commanding. So what is a farm level value addition that somebody can make is a third priority area.